Now you guys can't even tell me that that does not look awesome. I'm Mike.
I'm Joe.
And this is Kart Life TV. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Kart Life TV, and we have an awesome video for you guys today because today we're installing our Doubletake dashboard and our custom-built gauge cluster. And I know what you're wondering. You're wondering where Joe is. Oh,
I got it.
you had to dig that box out from underneath the lift.
30 other boxes.
But that's the dashboard, and we're going to install it right now. You ready, Joe?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
All right, guys. So this is the Doubletake dashboard. What do you guys think?
Looks good. Yeah, it's nice. Got all these trim pieces here. Fancy it up a little bit. Maybe we should paint them the color of the body.
Yeah, I think those definitely need to get painted like the body. There's some more trim pieces there.
Yeah.
Some holders. A little bit of hardware.
Go over. Like that.
That's nice.
Yeah, it's really nice.
That'll look good body color.
And then this piece replaces the piece that's already on the trim piece that's on the cart stock. This replaces it. So it's nice. You don't have to drill a bunch of holes like on some of the other dashes where you're running drill holes through everything and it warps it and makes it look like crap. These already have pre-drilled holes, so it hooks up to the factory. That's nice.
It is nice. Let's check out the storage.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
That's awesome.
That is awesome. Put all the remotes, access for the wiring, right?
And this actually screws in, so it's nice. You can remove it to get to your instrument cluster. That'll be nice. That'll be really nice, actually.
Yeah.
You don't have to rip the whole dash off if something happens.
I like that.
Got a key in there to lock it, which, you know,
That's nice, yeah.
it is what it is.
Cool.
Nice.
Looks
That
good.
would look good with the body accent.
Yeah, it's nice. And of course we have our area here where the gauge cluster gets mounted. It looks like we might have to trim out some of that plastic in there. But
Yeah, some
just
of
those
that.
little things there. It looks like it's made for a radio din, a single din, right?
Oh yeah.
Yep. Cool.
Haven't seen one of those.
Bendy box. Remember the bendy boxes?
Yeah, I was gonna
Yeah.
say I haven't seen one of those forever.
So the dashboard is really cool. It's seems like it's made of some really nice material. It's heavy duty, like an ABS plastic. Looks like it might be a little bit of a challenge to install because we already have the light kit on the steering column. So we're gonna have to like remove that and probably modify this a little bit to get that wiring harness through the really small steering shaft hole that's put on this dashboard. It's like
actually ridiculously small.
why does every company make something like it's like no one's modding their golf carts? I don't know. You ready to get this thing on?
Yeah, for sure.
All right, let's go.
Let's do it.
Okay, guys, so we're going to install the Doubletake dashboard now, and the first thing we need to do is unhook our gauge cluster. I know we were testing it for you guys in the last video, and it's still hooked up. Joe's behind me now, just unclipping it, and it comes off real easy. He's already got it off. There it is. Boom. If you missed this in the last episode, this is the gauge cluster that we made, and it's all wired up on the back, and it plugs in directly to our main harness on the golf cart. The only other thing besides this plug is the antenna for the speedometer and the 2 wires for the heat sensor that go right there. And we have all of our gauges right here on this nice piece of acrylic. And that's it. This is gonna go into the dashboard once we get it mounted. Now, before we can mount the dashboard, we have to remove the OEM piece of trim that goes around the top of the shell. It's right here, and the dashboard replaces that. So Joe's gonna pull that off real quick.
I already pulled the screws out.
You got the screws out, cool. And there it is, boom. So the dashboard replaces this. So once this is off, you're no longer gonna need this. Throw that in the box right there. And it looks like the dash mounts to the OEM screw locations, which seems super convenient.
Yeah, that's super convenient. And it looks like on the bottom, maybe too.
Yeah, cool. So we're gonna get this thing mounted now. I think we have to, we might have to modify it, but I think what we have to do, Joe, is remove our
All
our light
the
switch
steering.
and the cover from the steering column, and we'll see how it fits.
All right, man, let's do it. Goes right over top.
What's up, guys? Mike here from Kart Life TV. You know, the guys stupid enough to drive their golf cart 225 miles all the way to Key West. I want to just take a second to invite you to check out our online store at www.lowspeedliving.com. We got lots of really cool hats, shirts, and accessories for your golf cart lifestyle. Don't forget to support your boys. All right, now back to the show.
Glove. Like a glove.
All right, so we made our modifications to the dashboard. I guess it's time to fit it on there, get that wire ran.
Yeah.
Maybe we could try and mount that gauge cluster.
Yeah,
Let's go.
let's do it. Good.
Yeah, it's nice. It's actually really nice. All right, so we got the dashboard pretty much mounted up there, and we pulled the harness wire through. Everything seems to fit pretty good, right, man?
Yeah, definitely. It's great.
So Joe's using the OEM screws that come with the club car to mount the dashboard to the body. Just a Torx screwdriver, right?
Yeah.
Yep, and the holes line up pretty good.
Yeah, they line up really good.
Super impressed with the quality of this thing. It's really nice. It's one of the nicer dashboards we've seen, unlike those cheesy carbon ones we've used in the past, right? This thing is...
I got one of mine.
I
went through 3 of them.
got one on the DS. We got one sitting in the garage too, because, you know, they break all the time. But this thing seems to be pretty good. I think once Joe's done putting those screws in, I think there's a couple underneath that got to go in too, and then we're going to mount the gauge cluster and see how it looks.
Yeah.
I'm excited for that, man.
Totally. Can't wait.
All right, we got it all mounted up nice. Now the last thing we're gonna do is install our gauge cluster.
Yes, sir. Let's grind that. Put it.
You guys can't even tell me that that does not look awesome. Check this thing out. This is crazy.
Ooh, done.
It's awesome. Go.
We need to light that thing up.
Woo!
That's what I'm talking about. Need some. Oh, that's cool. I didn't know they did that. That's so cool. Awesome. 125 miles an hour. That's something pretty sick.
All right, guys, so that wraps up the install on our Doubletake dashboard on the Ultimate Club Car build here. What do you think, dude?
I think it's awesome. Very well built. Definitely better than the those carbon dashes that everybody uses.
Yeah, it's impressive to actually see what a $330 dashboard costs over a $100 fake carbon fiber dashboard. This one's got some really cool features. It's got a really nice storage area in it. You could access the spots on the sides for your whatever you're carrying in the golf cart with you, and it had an awesome place for us to make that gauge cluster and actually mount it, and we got to see it light up in the dashboard. It looks awesome, right?
It looks so cool.
What I like about it is you can also access all of the wiring from underneath that tray that they give you in the compartment there.
Yes.
And it's lockable. So it's got a lot of really cool features. It lines up with the stock holes. Didn't take us too long to build or to put together and install, and we were able to only have to modify a couple little things to get our gauge cluster to fit and our lighting harness down through the steering shaft.
Yeah.
So overall, awesome accessory for this golf cart. And I don't know if you guys noticed, we also installed our headlights there. They are mounted to the brackets on top of the shell. We're just getting ready to do some body work. We wanted to make sure we had those there too. If you missed the headlight video, make sure you check it out. This is the Revenge kit, but we had to customize it for this golf cart. It's awesome. It's in the video section under Cart Life TV. And if you want to see more of Cart Life TV, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss an episode. We got a lot of really awesome stuff coming up for this build here. A lot of boxes behind me underneath the lift, and
getting closer.
We're getting there, man. We're like on the home stretch now. We're gonna be driving this thing soon, and we can't wait to do that with you guys. If you want to support the channel, make sure you check out lowspeedliving.com. We got a lot of cool hats, t-shirts, and accessories, and coming soon.
Sweatshirts, baby.
We got hoodies. They're on the way. You'll be able to order those probably starting next week. Make sure you check it out. We'll catch you guys next time.
Peace.